What's the meaning of cattery? Cattery. Cattery.
Cattery. Cattery. Cattery refers to a facility where cats are bred and cared for. It is similar to a kennel for dogs. In a cattery, cats are typically housed in cages or rooms, and receive food, water, and medical care from trained staff. Catteries may also provide grooming services, such as bathing and nail trimming. Breeding may take place on site, with kittens being sold to new owners. Catteries may be run as a business or by individual hobby breeders. Overall, catteries are dedicated to the health and well-being of cats.